Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to embed Google Map in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I want to embed a Google Map inside of my contact page. So first of all, open Google Map. The link is google.com/maps. And now search your exact location from here, and I'm going to select this location. And after selecting your exact location, click on share, embed a map, and you can change the map size from here. Then click on copy HTML. Okay, now go to your WordPress page and click on edit page. And click this three dot icon and select code editor, and I'm giving an enter. Then I'm pasting the copied code here, update. And now if I click on view page, here you can see Google Map has been embedded. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.